Anti-aging foods for skin. 8 foods that will keep your skin looking younger year after year. We all want to look our best as we age. Unfortunately, that dream of looking our best does not always happen to everybody. Some do age gracefully due to genetics, others, not so much. So, if you could change that by just eating the right kinds of foods, would you do it? Well, we have good news for you, because in this video, we have a list of 8 foods that can help keep your skin looking younger as you age. I am talking about healthy and anti-aging foods. Advances in skincare products and cosmetic procedures enable you to keep your skin looking supple and youthful no matter your age. However, you do not need to spend so much money on such treatments. All it takes is to fill your diet with foods known for their potent anti-aging effects. Following are such foods. 8 foods that will keep your skin looking younger year after year. 1. Avocados. In 2013, the Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition published a literature review emphasizing the health benefits of avocado consumption. According to the study, among its positive effects are improved lipid profiles and overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, avocados boost collagen production and skin rejuvenation, which results in younger-looking skin. 2. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are an exotic fruit best known for their remarkable antioxidant properties. Its vitamin C content alone is enough to affect the body, particularly in suppressing cellular damage. Overall, this will lead to a healthier body and mind, plus healthier and more youthful skin. Additionally, consuming this fruit helps reduce the appearance of age spots and wrinkles. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are also packed with antioxidants that have potent anti-aging effects, not just on the skin, but the entire body. These antioxidants also brighten up the skin by reducing the appearance of sunspots and accelerating the rate of cellular rejuvenation. Apart from keeping premature aging at bay, these little fruits help reduce inflammation, which helps combat unsightly skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin A, which benefits the skin in a variety of ways. Apart from reversing the effects of aging, this helps support cellular reproduction. That means your skin is better able to heal itself and protect itself from damage. Additionally, bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which reverses cellular damage and fights inflammation. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens have plenty of nutrients that keep you young. These foods are especially rich in lutein, which fights cellular damage and free radicals in the body. Apart from helping repair any damage caused by exposure and aging, these foods will boost your skin's natural ability to protect yourself from harmful UV rays. For best results, your best options are kale, spinach, and watercress. 6. Nuts. Nuts are filled with essential fatty acids that keep the skin young and glowing. Consuming these so-called good fats improve the skin's elasticity and hydration. Although all nuts have positive effects on the skin, your best option is the walnut, which contains some of the highest amounts of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in carotenoids, which give them their distinctive bright orange color. These have incredible antioxidant effects on the body. It helps keep the skin moist and healthy enough to protect against sun damage. Additionally, these root crops are rich in vitamin C, another antioxidant that fights skin aging. 8. Cacao. Cacao is incredibly rich in antioxidants. When eaten, it improves skin health from within the body. It repairs skin damage and reverses the effects of skin aging and protects against any damage that might be caused by environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. Your best options are dark chocolate and cacao nibs. The best way to keep your skin healthy and glowing is to nourish it from the inside. So make sure you get plenty of these foods as part of your diet, because these foods are proven to have incredible anti-aging effects. As you continue to eat more of these foods, over time, you will notice that your skin is not just suppler and younger looking, but also brighter and more evenly toned. Following our study references we used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.